Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Citymapper for seamless urban navigation. So first of all, download the app or visit the website and input your destination in the search bar, right? And go ahead and hit go. Okay, and select or choose your preferred multiple options: bus, train, walking, cycling with real-time updates. Let's say I'm walking, right? So you're gonna see right here how long it will take, like over an hour. If you're using bicycle, it's gonna take 47 minutes. Cab, 37 minutes. So you're gonna select the method, right? If you're walking, you're gonna be able to see suggestions to avoid traffic or avoid avoid being late, right? Let's say for example, I'm gonna avoid traffic and I'm gonna select this method, right? Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna be able right here to see directions, right? Instructions, or if you prefer, you can just go ahead and click map and you're gonna be able to see the start onto the finish. Okay, so you can be able to see the point A to point B, the start and the end. So Citymapper simplifies urban travel with live transit updates and clear instructions. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.